morning, students. Welcome to class 11th. Hope you all are fine. Now, myself, Mrs. Alka Sharma, and I will be taking your English class. Now, going towards syllabus. If we talk about syllabus, then it is divided into three sections. Section A, reading skills, that is your comprehension passage and note making, it's new. Then moving towards section B. Section B is your writing skills plus grammar, but grammar will be for 6 marks only. It will be section B overall will be for 30 marks, but grammar portion in that will be for 6 marks. Then moving towards literature part, we are having two books. One is your Hornbill and second is your Snapshot. These two books we are having. So please either buy them or download them from net, lesson wise, first chapter, second chapter. Whenever we will start with the literature part, I will let you know about it. Now let's start, because lot of main stress is laid on section B, that is on writing skills. So let's start with the first question of writing skills, and that is notice writing. That is notice writing. Why do we write down the notice now? To give some information. We have to inform something to the students or the society or somebody. So for that we write down the notice. Now moving towards format. It will be started with name of the issuing agency, school or authority. For example, your school name is Shahid Bishan Singh Senior Secondary School. So it will come over here, or whatever name is given in the question. Whatever school's name or authority or agency is given in the question, you will write down that name, followed by notice in capital letters. Then on this side, you will write down the date of issue of notice. Now, see here, if you are writing 24/4/2020, it's wrong. Don't write it in this way. How you will write down? April 24, 2020 or 24 April 2020. Followed by, now after that you will give a title to the notice, and it should be again short. The title should be short, not so lengthy that going in 2 lines. No. Now moving on to the body of the notice. You have to give the information. For example, your school is holding drawing and painting competition. Clear? Now, this is to inform all the students that school is going to organize drawing and painting competition on date, from time, and where, in the auditorium, school auditorium or school premises, whatever it is, in the hall, wherever it is. Okay, and now there are few questions in which chief guest is also required. Clear? So it is optional. It is optional. If chief guest is required, then you will write it down. Otherwise, no use of writing the chief guest. Other information, for example, drawing and painting competition is there. So the material will be provided from the school will provide the material, or you will get your own material. Whatever information is over there, you will write down that information, and ending will be done. For further information, contact undersigned. Contact, I'm writing over here, contact undersigned. Contact undersigned. That means whatever name and designation has been given in the question, you will write down that. For example, I say, you are Aman oblique Anita, the in charge of Eco Club of your school. If the school name is not given, you can write down any name of the school. Or if I say you are the in charge of Eco Club of Army Public School. So what name will come over here? Army Public School, where full address to be there. Army Public School, Dhola Kuan, or whatever you want to write. Any place, write down whatever is given in the question. Write down that. If it is not given in the question, then also you have to write it down. You have to write down the full address. Okay. After that, now notice. Now, date of issue, when you are issuing it. Now, title. What will be this title of it now? Drawing and painting competition. Drawing and painting competition. Your school is organizing that. Okay. Now, body. Now, again, start the paragraph. This is to bring to the notice of all the students. Now, if in the question it's written that you have to tell only the senior wing about it, then 9 to 12. Middle segment, then 6 to 8. Okay. That our school is going to organize drawing and painting competition in the school premises from, that means you have to write down the timings. Okay. Then no need of chief guest no need of chief guest here. If you need it, you can write it down. If it is given in the question, invite the chief guest also, then you will have to write it down. Then other information. This is to inform that the material will be provided by the school. Or you can also write down, if it is given in the question. If it is not given in the question, make your own line. Make your own sentence for that. Then for further information, contact undersigned. But those here, before this one, those who are interested can register their names. Those students, those who are interested to take part in the competition, register your names to the class teacher by which date? Give a last date. By 30th of April. Okay. For example, the competition is going to be held on 5th of May. So, register your names till 30th of April. Clear? Now, after that, for further information, contact undersigned. That is, whatever name is over there in the question, and designation. Whatever designation is over there in the question. Clear? You must have got it now. Now I will be giving you one assignment for notice writing. That has to be done by you people, and please submit it as early as possible. Thank you.